Do I have a deal for you? I can save you $25,000 on this gold fortified home. It's one of my favorite communities in Semmes, Alabama. This community has its own community pool, a private clubhouse, and a playground for the kids. So for a limited time, you get $25,000 towards buying your interest rate down. You can get a free stainless steel refrigerator, a free washer and dryer and blinds. Plus, they'll contribute towards your closing costs as well. It is a heck of a deal. But don't miss it. We only have 4 days left. Call me 251-234-9919. Now this is the Destin floor plan. It's over 2,300 square feet. It features a 3-car garage and it's a gold fortified home. This home comes standard with the smart home package. You can control your smart system through Amazon Echo Pop voice command device. These homes also are eligible for USDA financing, which means no money down if you qualify. Call today for your private showing. And don't forget, anytime you visit a D.R. Horton community, let them know that Frankie Wink sent you. My services are free for buyers, and you need an agent on your side to help you get the best deal. And I can show you new construction homes and any other homes that are on the market in Mobile and Baldwin County. You want to see more beautiful homes? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600. Do you need to sell before you can buy? No worries, I've got you covered. I list and sell real estate in Mobile and Baldwin County. Call me so I can show you how I leverage virtual tours, my social media, and my thriving YouTube channel to get you the most money for your home. 251-234-9919. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Frankie Wink 3600.